He comes. He comes.
Meet Bean again, the little puppy who's been fighting since day one. Born fragile, developmentally behind, and much smaller than his sister Roxy. But day by day, Bean keeps trying. Learning to walk, to play, to bark, and to be a normal puppy. A little slower, but never giving up. And today, Bean's journey continues.
So Bean had his doctor's visit yesterday. He spent the past 24 hours in the hospital. He has a big hernia in his groin. They thought he needed emergency surgery, so come to find out he does have, after the MRIs and all the scans, hydrocephalus, which is water on the brain. He does have some lung issues and some swallowing issues and some neurological defects, but if I can get him bigger and stronger, he will be able to have the hernia surgery. So we will just keep going. So now I will just keep doing what I'm doing. I have been doing this since he was 3 days old, and I will continue to make him a big, strong boy because he is a fighter. And we're going to do this, right, Bean? Right, Bean? This video is to explain Bean's wish list. Bean was diagnosed with hydrocephalus, which is water on the brain, and now I need to make his area more suitable for him. My dream for him is to have, on my link on my bio is an Amazon wish list. There's a foldable gate, there's a flat bed that he can lay on, a flat dog heating pad, blanket, a dehumidifier, all of these needs, a stuffed animal for him to lay by. Right now he was laying by a tennis ball and his little bumblebee. All these needs that I can have to give him the best possible life. Bean also does have a mom. Her name is Olive. I am not a breeder. She is a rescue. I also have the grandma. So I have 3 generations of Bostons right here. She came to me pregnant as Olive tries to move him around and clean him. She is not in a lot of my videos, but Bean does have a mother and he's with her at nighttime. So hence my wish list for Bean. I hope that I can make his life as best as I possibly can with the generous help of others that people are asking how they can help. It's much appreciated. Bean is at MedVet Emergency Hospital. He's getting ready to go have his surgery. He has very large hernia. The doctor found at his checkup today it just happened. I thought maybe it was just his, his testicles were coming in this past couple of days, but it's very big, and he's going in for surgery. I drove very far to bring him here, but he's a strong boy. He'll be okay. I'll drop him off and he'll call me when he's done, and he'll probably stay overnight. But he's a fighter. He's been through a lot in his little 8 weeks. He'll be okay.
Bean's not feeling well today, and it honestly makes me sad. Some days he's more playful, and some days are like this.
Bean. Beanie, you don't feel good. I don't like when you don't feel good. It makes me sad. No, you got bellyache. I know, you got bellyache. Beanie boy. No feel good for the Bean. He's just been chilling all day. Doesn't want to do much. Chilling with Mom.
This morning, Bean had a seizure. It honestly scared us so much. Watching his little body try to get through it completely broke my heart. But thankfully, Bean is doing okay now. This journey has never been easy for him. Some days feel hopeful, and some days leave us sitting beside him, worried and praying. Thank you all for the love and support you continue to give Bean. I'm still trying. Despite having a rough day yesterday, Bean still showered me with kisses. Maybe he doesn't realize how worried I was. But in that moment, I really needed that. We're okay. Bean is still here, small, fragile in the evening light, but still strong, still refusing to give up. Bean loves you all. Thank you for every comment, every kind word, and all the support you've given him. It's truly helping us get through this.
Being very rebellious. You're not supposed to be off your mat. It's breakfast time. What are you doing? Somebody's being rebellious this morning. We're gonna do whatever we want. Good morning. It's breakfast time. You're not supposed to be off your little blankie. You're just doing whatever. Good morning. Breakfast. Breakfast. Good morning. Good morning. Lots of happy birds. Let's eat.
Bean learned how to run, almost 9 weeks old. Weighing just 1 pound, still clumsy, but so determined. This little guy completely melts my soul.
I spy a little bean. Bean! You're running. You're a happy boy. Happy boy. Happy boy. You're silly. You're so silly. You're so silly. Into you. Into you. Here I am.
This video was taken when Bean was less than a month old. He developed pneumonia when he was only 3 days old. Looking back at those moments still breaks my heart. Those were incredibly hard days, but Bean made it through, and somehow, so did we.
Little angle, cough it up. Get it all out. Come here. I know, buddy. I know. I know, Ray. I know. I'm trying. I'm trying. No, I'm sorry.
Dinner time with Bean, and honestly, he probably needs a bib. Food ends up everywhere. I'm trying to eat politely.
Who's ready to eat dinner? This guy. Come on, Bean. Time for dinner. Here he comes. Come on, Bean. Time for dinner. Let's eat. Bon appetit. He's so cute when he eats.
That's another chapter in Bean's journey. Some days are really scary, but Bean is still here. Still fighting, still trying every single day. If you'd like to help Bean continue this journey, please support him by tapping the thanks button below the video. And don't forget to subscribe and become a channel member to follow Bean's story in the next episodes. Every bit of love and support truly means so much to Bean and to us.